If you are running an online business, you probably use multiple tools like ClickFunnels for funnels, Mailchimp for email marketing, and Calendly for appointment. But juggling all of this can get expensive and complicated. What if you could replace all of them with just one platform? That's where GoHighLevel comes in. Today, we will see how GoHighLevel can save you money, simplify your workflow, and still give you the everything you need to run your business efficiently. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify the technology and boost your productivity. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and check the link in the description below for free trial and special deals on GoHighLevel. By using the link in the description, you can get the 30 days extended free trial instead of the 14 days. So how does GoHighLevel replace all of these tools? Now let's start with the funnel. Instead of ClickFunnels, GoHighLevel has its own funnel builder. You can create landing pages, sales pages, and entire sales funnels with just drag and drop feature. It's simple to set up and does not require any coding skill. You can also integrate the forms, payment, and automations directly into your funnel. Now, next thing is the email marketing replacing in the Mailchimp. GoHighLevel allows you to send broadcast, automated campaign, and even the segment of your email listing. You can design professional looking emails, set up the follow-ups based on customer action, and track the opens and click, all from the same platform. So no need to switch between multiple tools or pay separate fees. Then we have the appointments replacing the Calendly. GoHighLevel's calendar system lets clients book the call or meetings directly, and you can set up automated reminders via email or SMS. This reduces no-shows and ensure your schedule stays organized without extra effort. The biggest advantage of using GoHighLevel is automation across all the tools. Your funnel, email, SMS, appointment can all work together in seamless workflow. For example, a lead can enter a funnel, receive a welcome email, get the reminders for a booking call, and follow up automatically, all without you touching anything manually. Finally, the platform is cost effective. Instead of paying for 3 or more separate subscriptions, you get the everything under one roof. So this saves money and makes managing your business much simpler, especially if you are a solopreneur or a small agency. So if you want to reduce the cost, save the time, and keep your business running smoothly, GoHighLevel is a powerful alternative to ClickFunnels, Mailchimp, and the Calendly. You can try it yourself by checking the link in the description or the pinned comment for the free trial. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.